on Scion. So the issue here is the lug nuts. The lug nuts are just spinning. This one's rounded off. These are just spinning. And it's supposed to be a simple tire change, but I'll tell you this much right now. This ain't no simple tire change. So let me jack this up on this side, and then we'll go from there. So I'll show you this right here. It looks like a wheel bearing. See how it's a little wobbly? We'll look behind there right quick. See if we can see anything moving. Yeah. Wheel bearings. Definitely out of there. Try to get this thing on. This wheel's stuck on. I got one of these off. Had a hammer on this lug nut key. She is loose as a goose. Like this. The inside of these are stripped. So pretty much, see, it stripped the lug nuts. Look, you can see them right here. This one and this one. So it wasn't, it was getting caught up like on, see this little fat piece? Yeah. So it was almost like it was hooked on, bro, because there's no more threads for it to actually rotate on and off with.
Careful, there's a cover on it as well.
Okay.
It'll pop out.
Gotcha. Does it twist?
Yeah. I didn't know if you'd be able to eyeball, like, because it won't fit on with these lug nuts. If
okay.
You know, just like, oh, maybe this size would work better. Before I go shopping, I was thinking of getting smaller ones so I could pop the cover on.
Are you talking about this little back piece right here?
Mm-hmm.
You see this cover up? Yeah. Makes sense.
I got it off of eBay, I believe.
Oh, nice.
It was hard to find that specific, like, two-prong. Like,
oh, really?
The one, and I was like, I don't know if that's going to be enough. Like, if that's going to...
Yeah, for sure. There she goes, folks. Baby is back operating.